Hello, my name is Paola Lopez. Next, I will present the task number 5, technological website, present to tutor Jason Santa Cruz, number group 91. Uh, how was technology changed human life in your community? Technology has had a great heyday in the current era. It has come into our lives to stay. A humanity with more capabilities and resources every day has worked hard to make in the best only of man. This is how my community has witnessed changes is essential. Services should have health care just by having internet services. Communication with relatives how are for Hawaii, and thanks to the development of innovating application, it is possible to talk and see them and thus able to feel closer, breaking the barrier of distances. What positive and negative aspect do you consider your community has had in the use technology nowadays? I believe that in my community technology has been the best ally since Beijing. From the countryside, the BJs have had the possibility of having internet service provide in providing well Beijing to the community in general and especially to the student. The web used technology is the complement for the development of the human being. Therefore, it can bring more positivity than negative aspect. It is in each community they use they when to guide it. Thank you.